Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas week 4, and last night was kind of rough. Mavis is still sick and she tends to cough a lot at night. That's kind of like when her cough is the worst, and she ended up puking in the bed, so I had to give her another bath, and this was around like 2 in the morning. My husband and I, we were still up, and she was up for a little bit. I put on Shrek for her to just kind of like calm her down and relax for a little while, and then we all went to bed. We woke up today around 8 o'clock, I want to say. It's about 11 right now, and we need to go run some errands. Okay, sorry, my daughter is dragging me around as well. What do you want, honey? Go, you watch it. This? Oh, here. Right here. Come on. But, what was I saying? We are actually gonna be going to Costco. We need to go buy some stuff before the weekend because it's gonna be Christmas weekend. It's gonna be crazy. It's actually snowing today and it's coming down pretty heavily, and we might have a white Christmas. Just want to share what I'm actually wearing today. I have a beanie from Uniqlo that I bought quite a few years ago, and I think I got this shirt from Forever 21. It's really soft. I really like it. It's super comfortable. And just a black vest that I got from, I think, TJ Maxx a couple years ago as well. I really like this vest because it's thin and it's comfortable, and it doesn't make me feel like a marshmallow when I'm wearing it. I got these jeans from JCPenney's. I think it was after I had Mavis, and these are in petite size, so they do hit right at the ankle. I'm probably just gonna wear my bare paws, and I'm just gonna be carrying my Lululemon bag because honestly, when you're a mom, you literally need 2 hands. I just like to dress really casual and comfortable, and my hair is so long. I have not cut my hair in probably 3 years. I want to say it's been quite a while. I think I might go back to dark. I'm not 100% sure yet, but that's why I've been letting my hair grow out, and I haven't made my appointment because I'm just really indecisive. But I'm not gonna lie, I do miss my natural black hair, especially the way it felt, just feeling really sleek, shiny, and no tangles, because with color hair it's a lot more dry. It's literally down to my butt. This is the longest I've had my hair in a really long time. Say hi, Blue. 이거 따라. Gotta make sure I don't run into Daddy. We're at Costco and there's so many people here. The parking lot was full, but it's gonna be like this every single day for the rest of this week. Are we almost out of grapes? A little bit. I'm just gonna get some. Wait, grapes? One for us and 2 for Grandpa them. Dad, they still have one more. We have a plastic bag. The Donald plastic bag. That's you, little thought. It's right there. Let's get some diapers for you. Do you need any more Kleenex? We still have some, yeah. I think we still have quite a bit. You try yours first.
Let's try it.
Try it.
Go home. It's the same shit.
Kind of tastes like mine. It's good. I like it. It's like a little darker than mine. You like it?
This is similar to mine.
Yeah, mine's just not as dark. I think this one has chocolate.
It's cute.
We picked up some coffee at my favorite coffee shop and got a free one, so I always get a 32-ounce coffee. Has 3 shots and just whole milk in it. It's so good. It's really creamy. Their coffee is a medium roast, so it's not as dark.
어쩌면 너무 익숙해져 버린 습관과 같던 매일 너랑
Hobby Lobby and I'm trying to find some Christmas stuff. I found an apron for Mavis because we're gonna bake some Christmas cookies. I'm trying to see if they have more other kids' aprons, but I don't really see any. These are so cool. They're massive, but they look pretty cool. I like these ones. These are like all but near pink. I kind of want to get some so that way I can alternate them. So we're gonna bake some cookies today, and I bought the Nestle chocolate chip lovers. These are really good. They are pretty sweet. I already washed our hands and my hands are ready, so we're just gonna cut this open and then roll them into little balls and then bake them in the oven. I'm actually gonna preheat my oven first so that way by the time we're done, it'll be ready by then. So 350. Yes.
Yes.
Cookies.
Wow.
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 Here. Look. See, look. Roll Hanoma. Don't eat. I gotta cook it first, girl. Huh? Roll this one. Roll. See? Roll. Okay, turn this way. What the hell? Like that, and then roll. Wow, good job. Roll. Yep. Uh-oh. One candle right there. There you go. Roll. One a dot. Yay. See? Good job. Don't eat it, honey. You can't eat it yet. It's not done. You don't want to do it because she's not what? She's so lazy. I'm gonna make a salt dough for her to play with. I'm not gonna bake it. I just want her to be able to do something so that way she's not bored. Okay.
Use this coarse sea salt.
I don't think I'm doing this right, but I really don't care. We're just letting her play with it. Good job. Oh, good job. Gonna pull her this way. Okay. Needle. Little person. Look, Gingy. Này chả bông móc này cho lò cho hả? I don't control it. She like just grabbed it and like did it.
Yeah.
Yay! Play with all of these. Good job! Yay! Good job, Mama. Coco? Okay. She's getting so big now. She doesn't even look like a newborn anymore. She's growing into her features. Her face is getting more plumpy and like round. She's eating about like 2.5 to 3 ounces. She eats a lot more than Mavis. I feel like Mavis was eating 2 ounces for at least probably almost 3 months. But this girl eats way more than her sister does. They both have dimples on each side of their cheek, but they are more prominent on the right side. And she has a higher dimple up here versus Mavis. Mavis is a little bit lower down here. So the cookies actually baked out really nice. For the past few years, I've been using my air fryer, so they usually come out looking kind of janky because of the little grooves in the air fryer. But these one look so perfect. And Mavis actually doesn't care for stuff like this. I don't know if it's because we never really like gave her a lot of sweets when she was little, even though she's only like 1, but like we really limited her on sweets and we just prefer to give her food, so she doesn't know how to eat like sweets or crave for stuff like this. Cho con lồng màu tao đi nè. Có gì chưa? Hey guys, so I'm in the car. Mavis is sleeping and we're actually at Sportsman because my husband has to pick up his order. Might go to Home Goods. It's literally just right next to it. And even though I never buy anything at Home Goods, I just like to go and look around. Last night I was up cleaning the house because it was super messy. I also want to go pick up all my Christmas orders from my parents. So I have like boxes and boxes in my kitchen that I need to go through and sort everything out. And I just tried to clean up as much as I could because I knew we were going to be out today. So I did not want to go back home to a dirty house. I literally didn't even do my hair today. I went to bed with it like this and I woke up with it like this. And sometimes I just like that really messy braided hair look. So I'm at Home Goods and I'm just looking around for some things. I don't know what I'm buying. I'm just looking around. We're downtown and we're walking through the little sky thing to go to Lululemon. It's been a while since I've been here. It's so cute. Everything's all Christmassy and decked out. But it's not easy shopping with 2 kids. There's a lot of people out with all the holiday shopping. I haven't been here so long. The last time I was here, all this was even remodeled. It's the last. It's right there.
Hello.